everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a quick and easy, delicious black-eyed pea stew. Let's get into it. So first of all, I'm going to start off by sauteing down 3 spring onions, 3 garlic clovers, 2 bell peppers, and half an onion. Then mix it up. Now that's done, I'm going to add in a chopped in tomato, half a teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, cumin and cayenne. And I'm going to mix this all in. This smells so delicious. Now I'm going to add in some thyme and parsley. This is optional, but because I love my spice, I'm going to be adding some jerk marinade. Now I'm going to mix this in. And now it's time for my black-eyed peas. Smells so good. I'm gonna mix this in as well. Now that's all mixed in, I'm going to add in my vegetable stock. And if it's not all covered, you're going to need to add in a bit more water. And for my finishing touch, some bay leaf. Now I'm going to place the lid on and leave that to boil for 45 minutes to an hour, depending on how long you put your peas to soak. That looks and smells so delicious. Now that's done, I'm going to plate it up and give it a taste. Now it's all plated up nicely, it's time for the grand finale, the taste test. That is absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed and see you next time.